Today we're going to learn how to do our own DIY eyelash extension. So these are applied in 9 minutes at home and they last 1 week. They're water resistant, sweat proof and sleep proof.
First, let's curl our natural lashes.
So just lifting my eyelid up with a Q-tip, I'm just going to go in and dab the bond, which is our adhesive, onto the underside of my lashes. So we're going to take our first eyelash cluster here, and then you're just going to look downwards into your mirror and then apply it to your innermost lashes, and then yep, you can see it's already on like that.
And now I just continue on with the rest of my lash clusters. You only need about 3 to 4 per eye.
And so I just want to put this cluster right next to the first cluster, my third cluster, and I'm just putting it right next to the second one. And there you go. That is on now.
Just applied our eyelashes on, and now it's time for the last step, which is squeezing and sealing everything together. The reason why it's very important to squeeze is so that you can lock the lashes in, they last longer. You take your lash sealant and you apply it to the inside of your applicator plates, and you do that by just clamping down on your sealant brush a couple times.
Go in and squeeze. Just like that at the base of my lashes. If it gets stuck, you blink and it comes off. And there you go.